Hello, demo guys. Anybody here? Demo guys, we're just the demo guys. So there's somebody squatting in that one. They're living in that boat over there. They're probably living in this house because nobody's around, but they're not supposed to be here. Hey there, how you doing? So we're with the demo company. We're just kind of getting an idea what we got to do here, okay? I just talked to the owner. He doesn't know you're here. So I'm just letting you know we got permission to be here. I don't know who you are. Okay, here we are. We're back at this property. This is 51 acres being sold, and part of the deal is that they got to get all the structures removed from the property. So we were out here last week and we were going to do a walkthrough on all this stuff, and we left because there was a car that was stuck in the mud, and you'll actually see some video of that. We helped the guy get out. This is his car. We're not sure if he's here or not. There is a boat out on the lake in front of here. It's actually sitting on the mud. Basically what we're going to do is we're doing a walkthrough. There are 6 houses total, and we're going to go and see what, if anything, that's salvageable, and basically what are we getting ourselves into and how much garbage we have on all the other things you got to do when you're tearing down something. Let's go check it out and see if we can get in here. Anybody here? You hear the generator running back there? Hello? Hello, demo guys. All right, we're gonna walk around the other side. This is the boat that I was talking about. You see how it's sitting up on the mud? So when we talked to the guy, when we pulled him out of the mud, he said he was living out on that boat. Hear the generator? And the cord to the generator is running inside the house and not outside the house. So I'm not sure if somebody's here or not. So looking in the window here. Got something to pry with. That front door is closed. Yeah, I just don't want to get into a situation here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and break this window, okay? You guys ready? Yeah. Jeez, this might be his.